Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening settings right away. This gets you into the system controls. Once done, confirm battery and connectivity so the change won't be interrupted. Next, you check MIUI version under About Phone because menu names can vary with updates. If your device uses a custom launcher, switch to the stock settings icon, otherwise search for Language in Settings Search. This fast prep avoids surprises and ensures you see the exact language menu described in the next steps. You now navigate to Languages and Input. This is often under Additional Settings or System, depending on MIUI. Once there, tap Languages to view installed options. If your language isn't listed, choose Add Language and search using the built-in field. This prevents accidental selection of similar names. After adding, drag the new language to the top of the list or tap Apply. MIUI will switch UI strings instantly. Make sure to pick the correct regional variant because translations and date formats can differ. You finish by verifying keyboards and app languages so input and notifications match the new setting. If some apps still use the old language, reboot the phone. This forces apps to reload resources. Once rebooted, update MIUI and any apps to ensure translations are current. If the language change doesn't apply cleanly, switch temporarily to English, then reapply your target language. This clears cached locale data. Finally, if problems persist, reset settings layout or contact support for persistent firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.